If you are looking to build a PC at home or how to build a PC for beginners, how to build a PC for gaming, build your own PC kit.
Welcome to the ultimate guide for building and setting up your very own PC. This guide will take you through every step of the process, from the initial build to the final setup. Building a PC can be a daunting task, especially if you've never done it before. But fear not, this guide is here to help you every step of the way. It will provide you with detailed instructions and tips to ensure that your build goes smoothly and successfully. But building the PC is just the first half of the equation. Once the build is complete, you still need to set it up properly. This includes downloading and installing the Windows operating system, as well as the necessary drivers for your hardware. Setting up the XMP profile in the BIOS and tweaking other Windows settings will also be covered in this guide, so you can ensure that your PC is running at its full potential. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for some extra guidance, this guide is perfect for you. It's packed with all the information you need to confidently build and set up your new PC. No more feeling overwhelmed or uncertain with this guide. You'll have all the knowledge and support you need to succeed. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on this exciting journey of building and setting up your very own PC. Soon enough, you'll be enjoying the benefits of customizing your own machine and experiencing the satisfaction of a job well done. Let's get started.